Good afternoon and welcome to Germany, welcome to North Rhine-Westphalia, welcome to Dusseldorf with a very nice view of the Rhine, of course. You are in for a great ride. I'm sure that the next days will give you lots of opportunities to meet potential clients and potential investors and to have a very nice exchange with German counterparts. Germany, of course, is a very important economic partner for us, and what I also would like to underline is that the startup ecosystem in Germany is getting better, is getting stronger. So that will give you, I'm sure of that, lots of possibilities in the next days.
We've been working with German clients over the last 2 years. And we just love working with them because we really need to work together with the client to be able to create the best experience.
We believe that there lies a big business in front of us. So we hope to meet here new clients, test out the possibilities, see what are the possibilities.
So we started with some clients in the Netherlands, and I think Germany as our customer is just a very good next step for us.